So welcome back to ADA lectures. Today we will see JK flip-flops. So before going to that, we will summarize what we discussed in this previous class. So previous class we talked about SR flip-flop, and then we talked about T flip-flop. Small modification of SR flip-flop, we will get T flip-flop. So under T flip-flop, small modification in SR flip-flop, we will get D flip-flop. That means data flip-flop. See, small modifications means we are adding one the NAND gate or not gate in the form of NAND. That is two inputs together we are giving means, so NAND gate act as a NOT gate. So that is called not SR flip-flop. Okay. In SR flip-flop, we are adding NOT gate to the both terminals S and R. We will get D flip-flop. In that we see expression or equation for SR and D as well as excitation table for SR flip-flop. Today we will see JK flip-flop. Okay. So this is the black diagram for JK flip-flop. So both are same. So top one is the black diagram for JK flip-flop. Here enable line or clock. We call it as both are same. Enable line or clock. And this J is the one terminal. Here K is other terminal. So we are present input is feedback to the present input here. Here also present input Q is feedback to the present output is feedback to the present input. So this one is Qn and this one is Qn bar. That means it is present state. What is the next state? Next state is nothing but Qn plus 1 is the next state. Next state complement is Qn plus 1 whole bar. Okay. So first this figure and this figure both are same. Okay. So this is the structure, IC structure J, and this one is enable line or clock. This one is K. So Q means it is the present output. Q bar is the complement of present output. We can say that what is the next state here? Next state is Qn plus 1 and next state complement is Qn plus 1 whole bar. Okay, so this is the JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, this section, the dotted section, we call it as basic SR latch. So in our first class, we seen what do you mean by latch. So this is the latch structure. You can observe dotted line. So this is the basic SR latch. Okay. Now we will see how to obtain the truth table for JK flip-flop. Okay. So JK flip-flop truth table. Now I can derive this first one is J and K, then present state Qn and next state Qn plus 1. Okay. So this one is the present state. This one is the next state. Right. Now how many combinations here? 2 JK means 2 means 4 combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay. What is the present state? So present state we don't know. So we consider as don't care. So don't care we denoted by cross this one. Okay, cross. So now what is the next state? When 0 0 is given, what is the next state? We will see one by one. Okay, we will see one by one. So 4 cases are there. First case is 0 0. What happened? while giving 0, 0, 0 to j and 0 to k, what is the next state? We will see. So first case is j is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. So this is the first case. So for example, this is 0, j is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. So 0 is given to the NAND gate. So one terminal here, three inputs are given to the NAND gate. One is J, other one is clock, other one is a feedback output. Okay. So any one of the input terminal of NAND gate is 0, the output is always 1. Okay. That is 0 into clock is always 1. 0 into 1 into Qn bar. 0 into this 1 into this Qn bar is equal to 0. 0 whole bar is equal to 1. We will get 1. Then that one is one input, another input is we are given Qn bar. Okay, so we are writing next state as Qn plus 1 is equal to, so this 1 into, what is the feedback output here? Qn bar. This one is the feedback output. So this one is Qn bar whole bar. That means 1 into Qn bar is equal to Qn bar, whole bar is equal to Qn. So this is the next state. So now we find the complement of the next state. Complement means Qn plus 1 whole bar. Why we are going for complement of next state means, so next state we are not getting any value, just we got Qn value, Qn. So we are not getting any numerical value. That's why we go for Qn plus 1 bar. That means complement of the next state. Okay. Now what is the complement of next state? We will find here. So first input is 0, k is equal to 0, clock is 1, and this is Qn. So 0, any input 0 here, one input is 0 means we will get output as 1 here. Okay, because of NAND gate, 0 into 1 into Qn. So first one is 0, clock is 1, and Qn, this one is Qn. So 0 into 1 into Qn is equal to 0, 0 whole bar is equal to 1. So first one input is 1, here 1, and what is the second input? Second input is Qn. So 1 into Qn whole bar. So we will get Qn bar. Okay. That is next state. So now we write the, for 0, 0 case, we got Qn plus 1 as Qn. Okay. So this is the first case we got. Now we will see the second case. So this is the second case. What is the second case? J is equal to 0, comma, k is equal to 1. So here j is equal to 0. Okay, k is equal to 1. What happened? We will see. First we will find the, so we know that this one is the present state, this one is the next state. So we find the next state, Qn plus 1 is equal to, so 0 is given to the NAND gate means definitely should be, output should be definitely 1. Okay. Then other input is Qn bar. This is Qn bar. So 1 into Qn bar. So NAND gate means whole bar. So we will get Qn. Okay. Then what is complement of the next state? Qn plus 1 whole bar. So that is equal to, so what are the inputs to the NAND gate? K is equal to 1 and clock is equal to 1, and this one is Qn. So three inputs. So finally we will get 1 into Qn whole bar. We will get Qn bar here. We will get Qn bar here. So one input of the NAND gate is Qn bar and the other input is Qn. So one input is Qn bar and other input is Qn whole bar. That means Qn bar into Qn. That means A bar into A is equal to 0. A bar into A is equal to 0. Here one bar is there means 0 bar is equal to 1. That means if next state Qn plus 1, if next state is Qn, what is the complement of the next state Qn plus 1 bar? That means if Qn plus 1 bar is equal to 1 means definitely Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. From this reference, we write it as Qn is equal to 0 because both are complement. Qn plus 1 is the next state, Qn plus 1 bar is the complement of the next state. So now we got Qn is equal to 0. Okay, Qn is equal to 0, next state. So next state is equal to 0. Then what is the third step? Jk. J is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0. So this is the j is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0. J is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0. So this one is the present state Qn and the complement of the present state is Qn bar, and this one Qn plus 1 is the next state, complement of the next state is Qn plus 1 bar. Okay, for j is equal to 1, k is equal to 0, what is the next state? So next state is nothing but Qn plus 1 is equal to, so 1 is given to the NAND gate, then clock is given to the NAND gate, then other input is, so first input is 1, so this is the 1. Second input is clock, clock means always 1 into, what is the third input is this one Qn bar, third input is Qn bar, Qn bar whole bar. So finally we will get Qn. So this is the Qn. Okay. Then what is the second input? Second input means Qn bar is given. So first input is Qn into second input is Qn bar. A into A bar is equal to 0. So 0 bar is equal to 1. Okay. 0 bar is equal to 1. So we got the value 1. Instead of getting Qn or Qn bar, we got the value 1, one numerical digit we got. So no need to go for complement of the next state. That is, we don't want now Qn plus 1 whole bar not required here, because if Qn plus 1 is equal to 1 means definitely Qn plus 1 bar is always 0. Okay, that is the complement to each other. So here Qn plus 1, next state we got 1. So next state we got here 1. Okay. Then last case. What is the last case? J is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1. So j is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1. Find the next state Qn plus 1. So Qn plus 1 is equal to, so here one clock is 1 and this one Qn bar whole bar is equal to, we will get Qn, and k is equal to 1, clock is 1 and this one is Qn, we will get Qn bar. Okay. Here you find the Qn plus 1 complementary section, we find the value now. So Qn plus 1 is equal to, so first input is Qn bar, then second input is, what is the second input is this one, second input is Qn. So Qn bar into Qn whole bar, that means A bar into A is equal to 0, 0 whole bar is equal to 1. So we got Qn plus 1 value as here 1. Okay. If it is 1, now find the complement of, find the next state. Next state of the JK flip-flop is, so here one input terminal is Qn and other input terminal is here 1. So Qn into 1. So this one One input terminal is Qn, other input terminal is 1. We will get whole bar is equal to Qn bar. So Qn bar we got. So what is the next state here? Qn plus 1. So Qn plus 1 is equal to, what is the output here? Qn bar. That means whenever 0, 0 is given, what is the next state? So Qn is means present state. That means no change. That means no change. So whenever 0, 1 is given, what is the next state? Next state is 0. 0 means it is reset state. Reset state. Next 1, 0. So 1, 0 means what is the next state? Means it is 1 means it is the set state. Set state. And 1, 1. 1, 1 means we are given means we got Qn bar, that is complement of the present state. So this state we call it as toggle state. Toggle state. So you can find in SR flip-flop one state is wasted because of indeterminate state, that one. So we got complementary section, complement of the next state, and next state and complement of the next state, we got only one value. So it is practically not possible. That's why in SR flip-flop that indeterminate state is not used. So here JK flip-flop, this state also we can use. The state is whenever JK is equal to 1, 1 means we got toggle state. So this is the truth table for JK flip-flop. Okay. Now we will see how to find the expression for JK flip-flop. Okay. Now we derived the truth table for JK flip-flop. Next we will see the how to get the expression or equation for JK flip-flop. Okay. So we want to derive JK flip-flop equation means first you have to know the truth table for JK flip-flop. Okay. So I will write here JK flip-flop truth table. First one is J K Qn plus 1. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is don't care. Present state is don't care. So this is the present state. This one is the next state. See here, if a clock also there, clock means if it is always 1, then only it will enable or active. So whenever 0, 0 means, so this is the clock. Clock is always 1. So 0, 0 means we got no change. No change means Qn. Next state is Qn. This one is 0, reset state and set state. And this one is toggle state. Qn bar, toggle state. So this is the truth table. Whenever clock is 0, whenever clock is 0, if J and K 0 or 1, we don't get next present state as don't care, and next state is also a don't care. Okay. So you can observe this in this truth table. Clock will be maintained always 1. Then only it is possible to get next state. If clock is 0, there is no output. There is no output means there is no, it is not generated the next state. Okay. This is the truth table for JK flip-flop. So from this truth table, we can find the equation of JK flip-flop. So how we will find the JK flip-flop, we will see now. So first write the JK inputs. So J and K are the inputs. And one output, present output is feedback to the input, that is present output means Qn. Qn is feedback to the input means That is also input. So how many inputs? J, K and Qn, 3 inputs, right? That is 3 inputs. Then what is the next state? Next state means Qn plus 1. So 3 input means how many combination we will get? 3 inputs means how many combinations? 8 combinations we will get. So this one is 0, 0. Qn may be don't care. Here don't care means either it is 0 or 1. Either it is 0 or 1. So this one is 0, 0. So first section 0, 0. Next 0, 1. Here 0, 1. So don't care means either 0 or 1. So this is same 0, 1. Then 1, 0. So here 1, 0. So don't care means either 0 or 1. So 1, 0 as it is. Then next 1, 1. So 1, 1 here and present state is don't care means either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. Okay. So from this analysis, you can find that whenever input is 0, 0 in JK flip-flop, what is the next state? Next state is no change here, Qn. No change means we will get 0. Already present state is 0, we will get 0. Then present state is 1, next state is also 1 because whenever 0, 0 is the input means there is no change in JK flip-flop. Whatever the state in the present state, we will get it as next state. Okay. Then second input 0, 1. So J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 1 means it is a reset state. Irrespective of the present state, we will get whatever the inputs. We will 0, 1 is the input means irrespective of the present state, we will get next state as 0, 0. Okay, this one is 0 and this one is 0. Similarly, if Jk is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0 means if input of JK flip-flop is 1, 0 means we will get set state. So set state means whatever the present state values we are not considering. Set means we will get 1. Next state as 1 here. So here 1 and here 1. Then 1, 1. So 1, 1 means what is the next state of the JK flip-flop? Qn bar, that is toggle state. So present state is here 0. So toggle means it is 1 and 1 means toggle means it is 0. Okay, based on this complement. Present state is complemented here 0 to 1. Present state 1 is complemented to 0. So this is this one is no change. This one is no change. This one is reset. This one is set state. This one is toggle state. Okay. So from this, we can derive the equation of next state, Qn plus 1 state. See here, it is a 3 variables. What are the variables? J, K and Qn, present state. So by using the 3 variable K map, we can find the equation for JK flip-flop. Okay. Now we will draw the 3 variable K map. So this one is the 3 variable K map. So this one is Qn, this one is Jk. So we know that this one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This one is 0, 1. See, if we are finding the next state equation, so Qn plus 1 is equal to, so where Qn plus 1 is equal to 1, here 1. Here 1 means when J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0, Qn is equal to 1, we will get next state as 1. So j is equal to 0, k is equal to 0. Qn is equal to 1 means this one. J is equal to 0, k is equal to 0, Qn is equal to 1 means we will get 1 here. Okay. Next. Where we get 1? This one. J is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0, Qn is equal to 0. So that means 1 0 when Qn is equal to 0. So 1 0, this is the 1 0 when Qn is equal to 0 means we will get here. Next, 1 0 when Qn is equal to 1. 1 0 when Qn is equal to 1 means this one. Next, where we got 1 here 1. So 1 1 when Qn is equal to 0. 1 1 means this one and Qn is equal to 0 means this row will get this one. Now we will map. So first, this is the possibility to map these two cells. So what we get? So 0 is the common. 0 means Qn. From this we got Qn and what is the common terms here? Here 1, here 1. That means J. So J Qn. Okay. J Qn. This one 0 means it is bar. J Qn bar. Next, adjacent mapping here. So this one like this one like this. We can map like this, adjacent mapping. Then we can find, so what is the common term here? This row is 1. 1 means Qn. 1 means Qn. Okay. Then what is the common term here? 0 0. Here 1 0. Common term is 0. That means K bar. That means K bar. So finally Qn plus 1 is equal to J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. Okay, this is the expression. So final equation is Qn plus 1 is equal to J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. So this is the equation for JK flip-flop. Okay. This is the equation for JK flip-flop. So till now we see first how to derive the truth table. Then what is the conditions when 0 0 is no change, 0 1 means reset, 1 0 means set, 1 1 means toggle. Then find the equation for JK flip-flop. So this is the equation for JK flip-flop. Now we will see the excitation table for JK flip-flop. So what do you mean by excitation table? Means what are the mandatory inputs we have to give for JK? What are the mandatory inputs? We have to find the mandatory inputs. That is called excitation table. Now we will derive the excitation table. Okay. We know that in previous session excitation table derived from the extended truth table. Right? Excitation table can be derived from extended truth table. How to extend JK flip-flop truth table? Now we'll see. So now write the JK flip-flop. This one is JK Qn plus 1. We know that JK, this one is the present state. This one is the next state. Okay. Then 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So here don't care means don't care here, don't care, don't care, don't care. So don't care is nothing but either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1. So what is the next state? Next state is nothing but Qn. So this one is Qn. This one is set state. This one is a reset state. This one is set state. This one is toggle state. Qn bar. Then Qn means it is no change, means here also we will get so present state is 0 1 means no change, means we will get 0 1. Here reset state means we will get 0 0. Set state means 1 1. So toggle means here 0 means we will get 1 1 means we will get 0. So this is the extended truth table for JK flip-flop. From this extended truth table, we can find the excitation table. Okay. So for excitation table, we have to write the Qn plus 1. So present state and the next state. Okay. Then find the mandatory inputs for JK flip-flop. So this one is JK. What are the mandatory inputs? Okay. For what are the chances? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What are the mandatory inputs for JK flip-flop? So from this extended truth table we can find. So for 0 0, how many options are there for 0 0? Here first option is 0 0, one option. Second option is 0 0, two options are there. 0 so I wrote here J and K. So for 0 0, what is the input? J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0. Here also one chance. What are the input here? 0 and 1. That means J for two combinations, J is the 0 0. That is, it is a mandatory input. Whenever input is 0 0, present state and next state is 0 0, the mandatory input is J always 0 and K either 0 or 1, that indicated as don't care. So that is first case. Then second case 0 1. So how many combinations are there? 0 1. So here one combination 0 1, and this is other combination 0 1. So for 0 1, what is the input? 1 0 is the input. Here also for 0 1, what is the input? 1 1 is the input. So what is the mandatory input here? J is the mandatory input. J is equal to 1 mandatory input, and K is the don't care, either 0 or 1. Okay. Next we will see the 1 0 case. So 1 0. So this is one combination. One combination 1 0 means 0 1, and where it is 1 0 combination means 1 1. So here mandatory input is K. K is equal to 1 as the mandatory input, and 0 1 means don't care, either 0 or 1. Then what is the last combinations? 1 1. So 1 1 we have to get here 1 1 for 0 0. Then here also 1 1 1 1 for whenever input is 1 0. That's it. Okay. Now what is the mandatory input? So mandatory input K is equal to 0 is the mandatory input, and either J is equal to either 0 or 1, that is don't care. So this is the excitation table for JK flip-flop. This is the excitation table for JK flip-flop. Okay. See, you can remember one shortcut. So whenever excitation, draw the excitation table for JK flip-flop means first write the present state, next state combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then, so J term can be write it as this column, next state as it is 0, next state as it is 0 1. Then complement last two terms, that is here and here. But J term is just reverse it. So first don't care, we will get don't care. Then reverse means here also other don't care. Then 1, then 0. So you have to remember like this for shortcut method. Okay. Whereas in SR flip-flop, we got 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this one yes and this one R means what is the excitation table? Same as it is. So 0, 1, 0, don't care. So this is reverse. That is don't care, 0, 1, 0. So this is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. Likewise, we have to derive the excitation table. Excitation table is nothing but see, you can observe. So in JK flip-flop, 0 is the mandatory input. For J is equal to 0. For 0, 0, we have to get next state means J is the mandatory input is 0. So mandatory input is 1. Likewise, we will analyze. So this is called JK flip-flop. Okay. So let us summarize what we discussed in this session. So in this session, first, we talked about JK flip-flop black diagram, and then from the black diagram, we derived the truth table. Okay. In truth table, we find that for 0, 0, we'll get next state as Qn, that is no change. For 0, 1, for 0, 1, we got next state as 0, that means the reset state. For 1, 0, we got next state as 1, that is set state. And 1, 1, we got toggle state, that is Qn bar means toggle state. So that is the truth table. After the truth table, we find the equation for JK flip-flop from the truth table. So from the truth table means simply we are writing instead of don't cares, we are writing either 0 or 1 and find the next state Qn plus 1. So it is a 3 variable means we are using 3 variable K map and find the equation for JK flip-flop. After that, we find the excitation table from the extended truth table. Okay, excitation table derived from the extended truth table. Excitation table is nothing but mandatory inputs, which inputs we have to give for JK flip-flop. That is called excitation table. Okay, understood? Okay, thank you.